Ranking every type of corporate event content by how well it lands with an audience. What actually holds a room from someone who is watched 1,000 of them try. Live keynote with no slide, 9 out of 10. Just a person, a story, an eye contact. When it's good, it's unforgettable. The whole room stops moving. High risks, highest reward. This is a real art form. Fireside chat, 8 out of 10. Feels human, feels honest, and it hides a nervous executive better than any teleprompter. Two people, real conversation. Audiences relax into it every time. Interactive workshop, 8 out of 10. People remember what they do, not what they watch. Get it right, and they leave having actually changed something. Get it lazy, and it's forced fun. And everyone can smell forced fun. Pre-produced video, 6 out of 10. Beautiful, controlled, on brand, and the moment the lights go down, so does the energy. A great tool, a terrible crutch. Keep it short. Panel discussion, 4 out of 10. The comfort food of corporate events. 4 people, 1 microphone that never reached the right one, and a lot of I would just add, do it well or don't do it, please. The format doesn't move people. A real human being telling the truth moves people.